Enroll your iOS device in your company's Malwarebytes mobile device protection program. On the mobile device, check your inbox for an email from do not reply at cloud.malwarebytes.com with the subject Malwarebytes installer and agent. Click the installation link to download the Malwarebytes for Business app from the App Store. Tap Get and confirm the download. Open the Malwarebytes for Business app. Accept the privacy policy, and continue. To activate mobile security, return to the email. Tap on the link for iOS. Alternatively, enter the activation token in the app. Follow the on-screen directions to set up web protection and ad blocking in Safari. Now, you will benefit from web protection and ad blocking while browsing with Safari.